Broccolini Penne. I've been experimenting with 5 or 6 ingredient dishes. Simple, quick, really easy, nutritious. So this dish here, crushed garlic, broccolini, penne pasta, cream and vegetable stock. Start out with the broccolini, get a little bit of colour on there. I'm cooking it in a non-stick pan, so I'm not using any oil. Throw the garlic in, stir it round a wee bit. You can see we've got a bit more colour on there. Add the seasoning before you add the cream. Throw the cream in there and then use the vegetable stock to rinse out the cream jug so you're not wasting any cream. You can use pretty much any green vegetable or even mushroom in this pasta dish. Add some chicken, nuts, turkey bacon, something for protein if you wish, and a wee handful of Parmesan cheese or mozzarella wouldn't go astray either. As you can see, really quick, simple, colourful, and it's very tasty. I enjoyed this meal immensely. Just reduce it down until it's a coating consistency. Taste and correct the seasoning, put it into your bowl and enjoy. You can see how colourful that is. It was really nice meal.